It's my feel-good breakfast show.
Welcome back. You're tuned into your Feel Good Breakfast Show. This is Express only on SABC3. Man, dis 'n lekker maandag. We're jumping into the kitchen once again, and the reality is, you know what, we live in this 2016. It's the modern day. We live very fast-paced lives, you know, but we all still love something sweet. But none of us really have the time to bake elaborate cakes, you know, because we're running around all the time, kids, family, all that kind of thing. But Anel's here. She's going to sort us out with something sweet. It's a molten chocolate thing in a cup.
Yes.
Hey?
Yeah, it's exactly what you're saying. We don't have time to bake. Bake takes a very long time. You know, a lot of effort. But here we've got 4 ingredients and 1.5 minutes.
In a microgolf.
In a microgolf, and you get a heerlijke dessert. And it's melting and it's gooey and it's delicious.
Yeah.
So all we need is Sasko's chocolate muffin mix. Okay, the chocolate muffin mix.
Maar ek is mal oor dat 'n mens nie hoef te bekommer oor die oond nie.
Ja, dis die ander ding. En te veel veld skorrelgoed ook is natuurlik vir my 'n wenner.
Yes.
So jy het 160 ml van die sjokolademengsel, die muffin mix.
Yes.
Ek hou natuurlik van wit sjokolade. Okay.
Alright.
So dan gebruik jy die vanilla en jy gebruik wit sjokolade.
So jy kan 'n wit een ook maak.
Ja.
Alright.
So wat jy doen dan meng jy jou melk en jou olie, dis gewone kookolie.
Okay.
So dis omtrent 230 ml olie en 60 ml melk.
Okay.
En al wat jy doen is jy meng dit nou. That's it. Dit is
So maklik soos dit.
maklik soos dit. En wat jy doen is jy gebruik 'n koppie. Asseblief moet nou nie 'n teekoppie gebruik nie, want dit moet omtrent 400 ml wees, anders gaan hy oorloop.
Okay, ek sien. So hy moet 'n bietjie volume kan hou.
Ja, en wat jy nou doen, jy meng dit net totdat die klontjies weg is. Like so it's lump free.
Okay.
Kyk, dit doen ons nou so. En ek wil net noem dat jy kry 7 verskillende verskeidenheid van hierdie muffin mixes. En dit vat 30 minute om te bak in die oond. So jy kan regtig kry van wat jy ook al van hou. Verstaan jy wat ek sê? Verskillende geure. So al wat ons doen, ons
gooi hom nou in. Well, if you want to get your hands on the recipe to this very quick and easy dessert that you're going to be making in the microwave, the keyword is Sasko. SMS that to 33728. That's Sasko to 33728. Malted chocolate in a cup. Man, it looks amazing.
En dan wat jy doen, jy vat jou gunsteling sjokolade, wat ook al, jy sit dit in die middel van die
so 'n bietjie vir 'n chocolate surprise, as jy weet.
En dan bak jy dit teen in 'n mikrogolfoond van omtrent 850 watts, okay? Vir omtrent 90 sekondes. Maar as jou mikrogolfoond byvoorbeeld 1000 watt is soos myne, moet jy dit 'n klein bietjie minder
bak. Stel 'n bietjie af natuurlik,
en as jy sê net maar 650 watts, hou jy hom 'n klein bietjie langer. So dit is hoe jy dit doen. En dit sit jy in die oond en onthou net gebruik 'n mooi koppie man, want
want jy moet 'n bietjie van 'n statement maak. Maar listen, ons gaan hierdie ook in die mikrogolf sit en kyk hoe lyk hy. Jy weet as jy enige van hierdie stappe gemis het, hier is jou kans om dit gou weer te sien.
In a mug, add the milk and oil and mix well. Add the chocolate muffin mix and stir until combined. Push the chocolate into the center of the mixture and microwave for about 90 seconds. For the full recipe, visit the Espresso Morning Show Facebook page or log on to www.expressoshow.com. SMS the keyword Sasko to 33728 to receive the shopping list on your phone. Click on the link provided to view the recipe. SMSs cost R1.50, no free SMSs, T's and C's apply.
And there you have it, that keyword once more, Sasko to 33728. And this is the one that we just took out the microwave just now. The other one is in, it's going. There's a minute left on it, but this looks amazing. I can't believe it.
Ja, en jy bedien dit nou saam 'n bietjie roomys of met vars bessies of wat ook al. En wat ek ook wil sê, die resep is vir 4 koppies. Dis natuurlik genoeg vir my. Ek weet nie vir julle nie, maar ek doen sommer almal vir myself.
But I think this is great, especially you have guests coming over and, you know, absolutely great if you don't want to spend so much, wow, look at that, so much time on your dessert. All right.
Just want to get tucked into
Anel,
that.
Bye-bye, donkey. That keyword once again, Sasko. But for more quick and easy cooking experience, you can just visit the Sasko Facebook page as well. And then Espresso and Sasko will be giving you the chance to win a Sasko product hamper and a toaster valued at 2,000 Rand. It really is a fantastic competition. Simply cook any dish using any Sasko product, take a picture with your dish along with the product used, and then post it onto the Espresso Facebook page along with the name of your creation, and you could win. Remember, those T's and C's can be found on our website, expressoshow.com. But it really is nice, Anel. Ek kan nie glo wat jy vir ons gemaak het in net 'n minuut en 'n half se tyd hier. There we go.
Ek het my foto geneem. Ek sê nog steeds haar toaster.
Sasko to 33728. Zoe, ek sê hierdie nie vir jou hou.
Enjoy every slice.
Life tastes great.
Sasko.
Enjoy every slice.